Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim and I am a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today I am going to show you how to create hairs, something like this. So as you can see, I am in character creator 4 and I have this alien looking character with some cool spicy hairs. So we are going to create the hairs only. So first of all we will just select our character, delete our hairs, just select the character and go to the Zbrush with the helping of Gozi plugin. It will take few moments to load the Zbrush and it will automatically load our character into the Zbrush. Now Zbrush is open, we just need to click and drag to insert our character into the canvas, and then we will just frame it and zoom the document size. One more very important thing is to increase the draw size of our brush. So for that we need to go to the preference and go to the draw section, just make this slider to full and then make this second slider around 50%. So first of all we need to subdivide the model by hitting Ctrl and D 1 or 2 times. I will right click, so I can see this panel. So with the help of this panel we can increase or decrease the draw size of our brush. After that I am going to mask the area where I need to grow the hairs. So for that I will hold the Control key and paint some masking where I need to add our hairs. And as you can see I just paint the right side of the head only and the left side is blank. So this is because our symmetry is off. To enable our x-axis symmetry we need to press the X key. So here you can see we have 2 red dots, it means the symmetry is enabled. So if we paint again on the areas it will simultaneously paint the other side of the model. So here you can see our head is almost painted. We will fill the gaps. And we also need some more masking on the front of the ear. Make sure our masking is perfect behind the ear as well. And if you think you have done something wrong with the painting, just hold down the Control key and Alt key and then draw the air or erase the areas that you wish to erase. So it's pretty straightforward. After adding the paint we will just go to the fiber mesh area, and this fiber mesh panel we need to enable the fibers by hitting preview. Here you can see our fibers are generated, but these fibers are very dense, and so for that we will need to go to the modifier section. And one more very important thing that we will use the preset which comes by default with the ZBrush, and this preset name is wave hair. Just double click on it and then go to this slide box button and click on it to hide the hide the light box. As you can see, our hairs are generated and hairs are very long, so we need to decrease the length of the hairs, something like this. And we also need to decrease the max fiber to decrease the fibers. One more thing we need is the coverage. So with the coverage slider, as you can see, our hairs are become more wide, and this is the thing that we need. After that, we wish, as you can see, the hairs are very thick from the root area, and these are also very thick from the tip, but we are going to taper the tip of the hairs. For that, we will just go to the width profile section, just pull this dot to the top, pull this dot to the bottom. So with this, as you can see, our hairs are very pointed and tapered from the tip. We are going to play with the hairs. If you need to increase or decrease the hair's weight, you can do it by very easily with the help of gravity slider. If we decrease the gravity in minus, it will lighten the hairs and hair will go up. And if we increase the gravity, here you can see the hairs are getting downward because of the gravity. So I am okay with these results. Here you can see our hairs are still very dense, so for that we are going to decrease our fiber mesh with the help of this slider. And if we wish, we can increase the length of the hair by going to the length section and just increase the length from this length slider. And I think my hairs are very wide, so I will decrease the coverage, maybe like this. And I also wish to add some I also wish to decrease the gravity little bit more. Here you can see our hairs are very curly and pointed towards the upside, so maybe we decrease furthermore to see for any better results. You will have also so many sliders in the bottom side, but I think we don't need these extra sliders. These it will make our hairs very complex, so I think we should leave it for now. In future tutorials I will cover all these sliders and all these options. So right now I think I need to increase the gravity, maybe something like this, and I wish to increase the length just a bit more. Maybe we also have a width profile. Here you can see we have a length profile. First we are going to reset this profile, and then we will pull down this slider to bottom and pull this slider to upward, so we are getting results something like this. Actually this length profile slider sticks the fibers to very close to the head, maybe I can increase, maybe I can just move this first dot towards the top side. Yes, these are the results that we have done from the slider. So we will also need some more length. I am happy with the results, so I will just go and hit accept, and after that we need to generate some UVs for this hair. So I will go to the UV map section, then I will go to the create projection section and hit fiber UVs. So it will allow us to generate UVs for our fibers, so we can add our textures and we can do some creative work with the help of UVs. So our UVs are done, we will just need to send all, so everything will be sent to the character creator. Here you can see our hairs are in the character creator 4. These are very evil looking hairs. So because we have generated our hairs with the UVs, so we can also add our any textures to our hairs. So we can also add our normal map and specular maps for realism. So maybe we don't need the base texture, so we are going to delete the texture and we only need the opacity. So we also need to decrease the opacity around 30 or maybe 40%. Maybe 30 is okay, and we can also change the shader style in digital human hair shader, and we can also do some coloring on the hairs. From here you can pick any color. Here you can see we can make these hairs in any color. These are very artistic and stylish hair, and you can see these hairs looks very great on stylized characters and on something like aliens, or as you can see she's an alien from another world, but with these type of hairs it looks more like alien and kind of something like evil looking aliens maybe. So this is how you can create these spicy or spiky hairs from Zbrush. So I hope you like this artwork, and if you like this art and tutorial, please stick with my channel for new more upcoming artistic ideas and some more free models. So I will see you on any other new artistic idea. So until that, have a good day.